Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing a fascinating topic, ORB fittings. So, what exactly is an ORB hydraulic fitting? ORB fittings. Powering industrial systems reliably. ORB fittings, with their unmatched sealing capabilities and precision engineering, play a pivotal role in maintaining the integrity of hydraulic systems. ORB hydraulic fittings, the go-to solution for leak-free connections and efficient fluid transmission, crucial for optimizing industrial operations. ORB fittings, ensuring fluid transmission excellence from plants to sites. ORB fittings come in different sizes and materials to suit different design preferences. A glass ORB fitting with a blue O-ring. It can be used for decorative purposes or for low-pressure applications. A metal ORB fitting with a black O-ring. It can be used for high-pressure and high-vibration application. In conclusion, ORB hydraulic fittings excel in seamless fluid transmission, making them essential in the industry.